Khosini voko kona bomkhulu ngiyanamkela ku channel yami. The weather is so nice. Imvula iyanetha ngaphandle and yeah, umoya wa my spirit is like just go emanzini, like just walk emanzini. Remember imvula amanzi abalekile ngoba lemvula iyophelela kuphi, iyophelela emifuleni, iyophelela emalwandle, iyophelela bona empophomeni. But anyway, this is not why I made the video today. The reason why I've made this video today, I'd just like to answer this comment that I got in the comment section, because guys, I do read your questions, right? So kunomuntu on the video that I made of Ukuphupha Umlungu uthi akenzeka kanjani ngoba abelungu yizitha zabogogo nabomkhulu bethu. Yazi guys, spirituality is very that's why people who are Christians, if they think we are evil, they don't know. Umuntu onesithunywa noma umuntu onenzuza, they know very well ukuthi hate and grudges cannot be one of the things that you have noma you hold with yourself, because those spirits, they require a person who forgives. You must be a person who forgives. You must not hold grudges, right? So uthi bathathela abogogo nabomkhulu umhlaba. The Bible says ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngithethelele, forgive my sins as nami ngibathethelela abangonayo, right? You expect God to forgive you the same way you forgive. You did not say the same way I only forgive black people. Remember, kwa spirituality, guys, there's no color. Kwa spirituality, there's no gender. Kwa spirituality, it's spirit, and its spirit knows no color, knows no boundaries, knows all these things that Tina we are confided it in. Spirit does not know a border gate. Spirit does not know ukuthi kusemnyango la kwakho uyakokota. Spirit does not know ukuthi wena ukhiye igate, it does not supposed to enter. The minute you get to understand how spirit and the universe and God works, the better it will be for you. A lot of people bazibambezelile bona in their spiritual journey because of they don't want to forgive. Kanti wena into ekubambile nje intethelelo. Remember, we've got good and we've got bad spirit, right? Ngiye ngisho mina ngithi there's a yin and yang. Umuntu, there's a good and there's a bad side. People who know me, they've got different experiences about me. People who've met me, people who've went to school with me, people who worked with me, people who are my neighbors and everybody. Others, they might say, yo, lomtana lona. Guys, I remember there was a lady, begangahlala estradini sethu, right? And she went as far as asking around ukuthi lomtana uhlalaphi. She even went as far as ayokokota kithi ayofuna umamam ongizalayo. Afika athi hayi ntombi, ngifunana nentombazane kanje nakanje nakanje, umntana wakho athi ya, athi hayi ngizela ukuzokutshela nje ukuthi uzalile. Ngicala ukubona umntana ohlonipha kangaka, lo mntana uyabulisa, lo mntana uhlala happy, lo mntana uyabulisa ngesmile, inhlonipho engaka. Engane nentombazane iziziphathe kahle kangaka. And you would get abanye bathi uyadelela wena unenhliziyo embi. One thing about me, I've always my intuition has always been high. I've got friends that I've cut off, not because of ugeli ungenze kabi if my spirit says angikuzwisisi and I don't try to negotiate, I listen to my spirit because I know something ain't right with this person. The spirit, umzimba uyafihla nje, umzimba it's just a decoration. I had mina umamncane mina who hated me so much ngingane, not, I think I was in grade 8. Angangifuni ugeli, and I did not understand till she confessed herself. Abatshela athi hayi lo mntana lona man uyangihlula uyangisinda. And I was like, what? Ngiyakuhlula ngiyakusinda? Okay, let's live it. Till azoba ne video etrendayo yokuthi she's a what those things ezike zatrenda zama devil what worshipers. I was like, okay, no wonder bekimsinda ugiyeli. Mina, my spirit has always been pure. You understand? So we had fights la emhlabeni. Ushaka trying, isizwe sakaZulu trying to conquer other tribes. We had other kings fighting other whatever. So must we not forgive? Must we not forgive? Child, if you are spiritual, you would understand. Mina, there was a time, I don't know if I made a video about that. Kwafika isikhathi whereby I had anxiety. Ngangisaba umese ngempilo yami yonke, ngangisaba umese. It just came out of the blue. Mangibona umese ngangitatazela makufanele ngichophe an onion. Ngichopha ngibhekelo, not because of the onion iyangichopha amehlo, but because ngisaba umese. And first thing when I'm done ngiyawabisela, because even nanoma umuntu akhipha umese ekhabethini, I would think ukuthi uzovela awuthatha ngistephe till ngiba nelinye iphupho yo bangibonisa step by step ukuthi one of the people abangena wafa ngomese, kodwa naye wabulala umuntu ngomese, but ephushweni wayengibonisa ukuthi it was self-defense. So manje umndeni walo muntu wamfuna wambulala. But now he's not coming and saying I want revenge ngoba nami bangibulala ngomese. No, he's saying I need you to make peace on my behalf. Ngidinga ungeze ukuthi lo mkhokho ungasabi bikho la emdenini. I need you to help me to forgive. I need you to ask for forgiveness on my behalf. If you know spirit, you will know what the spirit is forgiving. Spirit is forgiving. So for mina akunamlungu, akunamntomnyama, akunani singabantu. We were created ngumdali. Naye lo owumlungu usaseyingane kaNkulunkulu, usadalwe uNkulunkulu. How many people have you wronged? How many people obaphule inhliziyo? How many people think you don't deserve forgiveness? But does it mean ukuthi uNkulunkulu must not forgive you just because other people don't want to forgive you? Or noma wena kunezinto ozenzile bantu. Remember iBhayibheli lithi akunasono esikhulu esindlula esinye. All sins are the same. One might have done this huge thing that you think ukuthi bese wena ukhalele into kamakhelwane kanti nawe already you are sinning. iBhayibheli lithi ukudla too much udle uzusuthe, it's a sin. So be careful, there's a thin line.